Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we are going to be driving on the Portmore Expressway, and we are in Portmore now, and we're just going on to the Portmore Expressway. Now this road takes you from Portmore to Kingston, and it's a part of Highway 2000. And as you know, Highway 2000 is a toll road, so you have to pay to use the road. Now recently, at the beginning of July, the toll rates were increased, and the people in Portmore are not pleased about it. Some persons didn't even realize that there was going to be a toll increase, although it was advertised. But some people went to the toll booth, and that's when they realized that the toll rate had changed. So basically, persons are saying they are going to use the alternate route, which is a free route, but it takes longer to drive on. That is via Mandela Highway. So let's look at the toll increases and why it was increased. Okay, so Trans Jamaica Highway operates 4 toll plazas in Jamaica as part of the Highway 2000 project on the Trans Jamaica. The Portmore Toll Plaza is one of the 4. The other 3 are the Spanish Town Toll Plaza, the Vineyards Town Toll Plaza, and the Maypen Toll Plaza. Now, effective July 9th, 2020, the rates were increased at all the toll plazas. Okay, this is the Portmore Toll Plaza we're coming up to. This is also the largest toll plaza in Jamaica. Now, let's look. Okay, a car is class 1. SUV is class 2, and a bus is class 3, or a truck, a trailer. So class 1 now. And this is a toll for the Portmore Toll Plaza. Each toll plaza has a different rate structure. Okay, so for class 1, the toll was $2.90. It went up $50 to $3.40. Class 2 was $4.70. It went up $80 to $5.50. And class 3 was $8.70. It went up $150 to $1,020. Okay, now persons aren't really complaining about the other toll rates, the other toll plazas, I should say, because of the 4 toll plazas, the Portmore Toll Plaza is the most used one. So Trans Jamaica Highway, who operates the toll plaza, they collected US $52 million from toll in 2021, and the Portmore leg of the highway amounted to approximately 25 million US dollars in collection for 2021, the highest among the 4 legs, which includes the Vineyards, the Spanish Town, and the Maypen toll plazas. So clearly a lot more people use the Portmore leg, a Highway 2000, than any other leg, because the toll is actually more expensive at the Vineyards Toll Plaza than it is at the Portmore Toll Plaza. And let's just give you an example. Okay, a class 1 vehicle, these are the new rates after July 9th. A class 1 vehicle at the Portmore Toll Plaza is $340. At the Vineyards Toll Plaza, it's $600, almost double. The Spanish Town Toll Plaza is $240, and the Maypen Toll Plaza is $190. So the Maypen Toll Plaza brought in half of all the revenue, almost half of all the revenue that the 4 toll plazas brought in. So that will give you an idea of just how many people use this road or pass through the Portmore Toll Plaza. Now, Portmore has a very large population. Outside of the city of Kingston, it probably has the largest population. And as a result of that, Portmore is actually going to become a parish very shortly. Everything is on the way to have Portmore become the 15th parish of Jamaica. That's how populated Portmore is. Okay, so why is Trans Jamaica Highway Limited charging a toll? Okay, now Highway 2000 it was a very large project to build a highway from Kingston to Ocho Rios and also from Kingston to Montego Bay. The premise was you should be able to connect both airports in Jamaica via highway, and one is in Kingston, one is in Montego Bay. And also persons should have access to the tourist attractions in Jamaica via a highway. So they wanted it to be able to get to a tourist attraction from within like an hour and a half. And that was actually accomplished when they built the Ocho Rios leg. You can get to Ocho Rios in 45 minutes, and that's where the majority of the tourist attractions are. Now the road from Kingston to Montego Bay, it reaches as far as Maypen now. It's being built in stages, and the Mandeville leg is under construction. After the Mandeville leg is finished, they'll build it from Mandeville towards Ocho Rios, towards Montego Bay. Now, the Kingston to Portmore leg was included as a part of Highway 2000. And as a result, for building the highway, Trans Jamaica Highway Limited was given a concession for the east-west toll road, which includes the Portmore leg. And as a result of that, via the concession, they were allowed to charge toll to make back the money they spent to build the highway. So basically, that's why they can charge a toll. The government of Jamaica, through NROC, gave Trans Jamaica Highway Limited a concession to operate the toll road for 35 years. And I think after the 35 years, this road will belong to the government of Jamaica. Now, I think it was, I'm trying to remember when it was. I think it was, I don't remember, but there's about 15, 17, 19 years left. No, not 19, 15 years left for this toll concession, after which it will expire and this road will belong to the government of Jamaica. So that is why Trans Jamaica Highway is able to charge the toll, and they can increase the toll every year. And so that's why the toll was raised this year. And I guess there's an alternate route, but it's full of traffic and takes longer. So alright guys, leave a comment in the section below and let us know what you think about the toll increase. And remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.